सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतम्। गतकक्षायां वयं पञ्चश्लोकान् पठितवन्तः। पञ्चश्लोकाः पठिताः तेषां सम्बद्धश्लोकैः सह। पञ्चश्लोकानां तत्र पञ्चपञ्चाशत् श्लोकाः एतावत्पर्यन्तं पठिताः। पञ्चश्लोकपठनानन्तरं भवन्तः जानन्ति तत्र अभ्यासः भवति। अधुना अद्यतन अभ्यासः वर्तते एकादशमः अभ्यासः, यस्मिन् पुनः तादृश एव प्रश्नाः भवन्ति। यादृशप्रश्नान् भवन्तः इतः पूर्वं कृतवन्तः दृष्टवन्तः च। So friends, we have finished in the last class 5 poems, the group of five poems, and we are over to do the exercises as usual, the related exercises to the 5 poems from 51 to 55 poems on different headings we read. So we start, the first one is usual, the same, very easy one, wherein you fill in the blanks with the original text given on in the book and in the page number 110, Srinivas. Yes, so you go with Nashtam Samudre Patitam Nashtam Vakyam Asrunvati. So Nashtam Samudre Patitam Samudre Asrunvati Vakyam Asrunvati. That is the first line of the 51st poem. Second line, Anatmani Srutam Nashtam Hutam Anagnikam. So that marks the first poem. Second poem is Yatha Hi Purushaha Kalyane Kurute Manaha. That is line 1. Tatha Tatasya Sarvarthaha Siddhyante Na Atra Natra Samshayaha. So very easy. You have to just look into the book, those who are having books. Otherwise, students who do not have books, please, you have to go back to the previous class video and then locate that. Third poem is Jara Rupam Harati Hi Dhairyam-asha Mrutyuhu Pranan Dharmacharyam Asuya. Here we are splitting the words here. Dharmacharyam Asuya. Krodha Shriyam Sheelam Anarya Seva Hriyam Kamaha Sarvam Eva Abhimanaha. Sarvam Eva Abhimana. So every word is sandhi broken here. Third poem, a little slowly you have to go. Jara Rupam Harati, etc. Fourth one. So it is as it is dumped there, given, and the next word you got to fill up is Buddhi Vruddhascha. Cha is given, therefore Buddhi Vruddhaha you break. Buddhi Vruddhaha cha Bharata. Second line. Nityam. Oh, one more thing you have to fill up. Yeah. Bharata. Then Dhanabhijata Vruddhaha cha. Dhanabhijata Vruddhaha cha. That is because cha is separately given, so you break it. Vruddhaha. Vruddhan cha. Yes. Nityam Moodho Avamanyate. I think go over. That's all. And the last poem that you fill up is Drutihi Syamo Damaha Kshaucham Karunyam is given. Vaganisthura. Vak, if you break Anisthura or Vaganisthura. Second line, Mitranam cha anabhidroha, chanabhidroha, saptaitaha dash samidaha sriyaha. Samidaha, you have to, samidaha. So this they can do to, so dvitiyamsham pashyamaha. Dvitiyamshe sandhi vigathanam karaniyam. Sarvatra sandhi vigathanam eva asti, ekatra sandhi sandhi yojanam asti. Bahutra sandhi yojanam. Vigathanam ekatra eva. Prathama, which is given. The first one is broken, all have to be joined, I think. Vakyam plus asrunvati, vakyam asrunvati. This is simple joining.
Yes.
Second, hutam plus anagnikam. This is also, see, swarahinasya. Swara is joining the consonant. Hutam anagnikam. Dhairyam, similarly, dhairyam plus asha. Very simple joining. This is Dhairyam Asha, Dharmacharyam Asuya, wherein M taking in akara. 4, 5. Seelam, oh, everything is there. Seelam Anarya Seva, Sarvameva, Nashtam Samudre. Here, in the seventh one, Anuswara you make. Makara becomes Anuswara, followed by a consonant. Nashtam. So put a dot over. Eighth one is patitam, again dot. Patitam nashtam. Tatha plus asya, this is Savarna Digression. Tathasya. Sarva arthaha, this is also Savarna Digression. Sarva arthaha. Na plus atra, again Savarna Digression. Natra, simple Savarna. Eva plus abhimanaha, again Savarna. So from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, up to this point, not 13, 12, they are Savarna Digression, these 9 to 12 Srinivas. Tathasya, Sarvartaha, Natra, Evabhimanaha. Up to this point, they are all Savarna Digression. Now, what is the next? Moodhaha, 13. Avamanyati, Moodho, Avamanya, Moodho, Okara, yes, Moodho Avamanyati, Purva Rupa. And then 14, Vak, here wherein the hard consonant becomes soft consonant. Vak, it turns to the third position of its Ka, Kha, Ga. So Vag Anisthura. So this is Hal Sandhi. Then the 15th one, Cha plus again Savarna Digression. Chanir, Chanabhidroha, Sapta plus Eta. This is A plus A is equal to Ais. Therefore, Vruddhi. Saptaita, 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 which can be located in the last 55th poem. Third word in the 55th poem, Saptaita. So, Evam Rupena. Bahavaha sandayah atra sarlaha santi bahutra sarla yojanam asti keshuchit savarna dirgha sandhihi ekasmin sandhau tatra vriddhi sandhihi asti. So like that there are simple sandhis followed by savarna and one vriddhi sandhi we have found here. So this amsha is also very simple part, and part 3 is printed as 4 here, Srinivas. There is a mistake in the book.
Yes.
Part 3 is printed as 4, and I don't know what is following. Mistake is carried forward. No. Only this is mistaken. Ekena padena uttaram likata. Now write one word answers. Kutra patitam vastu nashtam bhavati.
Samudre.
Yes. Fallen where the thing gets lost. Fallen where? I am translating literally the same way. The thing gets lost falling where? Where does the thing get lost falling? That should be proper way of putting in English, maybe. So simply, if you understand the sentence question, then samudre ekapadam samudre. So second one,
श्रुतं कुत्र नष्टं भवति अशृण्वति.
Where does the learning gets lost? Where does the learning get lost? Means Shrutam kutra kasmin nashtam bhavati. Shrutam asrunvati. So remove kutra, put the answer asrunvati. Third one, yada.
यदा पुरुषः कल्याणे मनः करोति तदा तस्य किं सिद्ध्यति.
So this is a big sentence. The replacement is tasya kim siddhyati. What will come to him? Yada purusha, when person kalyane manaha karoti, makes up his mind for doing good, tada, then tasya kim siddhyati. What does come to him? What does accrue him? So sarvarthaha siddhyanti, then verb should change. Okay, we can make it singular. Sarvarthaha. Kim siddhyati? Sarvarthaha siddhyati. Doesn't matter. 4. Naraha kasmin manaha kuryat. In what should man make up his mind? Kalyane. Just now we read the poem. Naraha kalyane manaha kuryat. Man should devote or make up his mind in doing good things. Kalyane. Kasmin kalyane. 5th, jara kim harati. What does old age destroy? Rupam. What does old age destroy? Jara rupam harati. So kim is answered as rupam. 6th, dushtanam seva kim hanti. The service done to the wicked destroys what? What does the service done to the wicked destroy? So dushtanam seva seelam hanti. Seelam hanti. Kim hanti? Seelam hanti. Dushtanam seva seelam hanti. Seelam nashayati. Okay? It is there, na? Which poem?
Yes, third one.
53rd. Yeah, 53rd poem. Jara Rupam, in that only. Then next page we have to go. 7th, Kaha Vidyashila Vayo Vruddhan Avamanyate. Who insults the learned and well-behaved and elderly people? That is, the Kaha is to be replaced by Moodhaha. Moodhaha Vidya Shila Vayo Vruddhan Avamanyati. Moodaha. That is 54th poem, Srinivas. Moodho Avamanyati. Last part, if you see, Moodho Avamanyati. So Moodaha. Kaha is replaced by Moodaha. Moodaha Vidya Shila Vayo Vruddhan Avamanyati. 8th one.
Shriyaha kati samidaha.
Shriyaha kati samidaha santi. Understood. How many samidhas are there of fortune? How many? Kati? Sapta. Shriyaha sapta samidaha. There are 7 samidhas or steps or forms of fortune. 9th.
Anishtura vak kasyaha samita.
Samit. Anishtura va kasyaha samit. Of what is the harsh speech samidha? Shriyaha. Shriyaha. Then 10th one. Kamaha kam harati. What does lust destroy? What does lust destroy or take away? Hriyam. Hriyam. Kamaha hriyam harati. And the last one, 11th one. Mrutyuhu
Pranam.
kan harati pranan harati. Do you think we need to write? Not necessary. Just rapidly sum up. First one, kutra samudre. Shrutam kutra nashtam bhavati. Second one again, asrunvati. Third one, tasya kim karishyati. Sarvarthaha. और सर्वार्थाः सिद्ध्यन्ति. किम सिद्ध्यति? फोर्थ वन कस्मिन् नरः कस्मिन् कल्याणे. फिफ्थ वन किम हरति जरा. रूपम, आंसर इज रूपम. सिक्स्थ वन दुष्टानां सेवा किम हरति शीलम, आंसर इज शीलम. सेवंथ कः इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय मूढ़ः. एथ वन कति सप्त. श्रेयः कति, हाउ मेनी सप्त. नाइन्थ वन इज कस्याः इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय आंसर श्रियः, श्रियः. टेंथ वन कामः काम हरति, काम इज टू बी आंसर्ड कामः ह्रियम, ह्रियम. And the last one मृत्युः कान हरति प्राणान. कान replaced by the answer प्राणान. So एवं तृतीयांशः समाप्तः भवति. चतुर्थांशं पश्यामः. पूर्णेन वाक्येन. Now we got to give a full answer, complete with complete sentences. Well, here also it is ekapada only. In the sense, you copy down the entire question. Words from the question. For example, yaha na shrunoti tasmin kim nashyati. Yaha, again you write down yaha na shrunoti tasmin vakyam nashyati. So what are you doing here? In another word, it is one word answer only, but you got to write out yaha na shrunoti tasmin vakyam nashyati. So you have to just replace kim with vakyam and write out everything. Second one, कीदृशः यज्ञः नश्यति. What type of sacrifice is lost? कीदृश, take out अनग्निकः यज्ञः. अनग्निकः यज्ञः नश्यति. I repeat, अनग्निकः यज्ञः नश्यति. That is the answer. Third one, सर्वार्थाः कदा सिद्ध्यन्ति. For this you have to give a lengthy answer, Srinivas, from the poem. यथा यथा हि पुरुषः कल्याणे कुरुते मनः तथा तथा सर्वार्थाः सिद्ध्यन्ति. This is taken from the second 52 poem. यथा यथा हि पुरुषः कल्याणे तथा तथा अस्या. You have to write out the whole poem as its answer for the third one. Fourth one, आशा किम हरति. So you copy down आशा as it is धैर्यम हरति. आशा धैर्यम हरति. Fifth one, अभिमानः कम नाशयति. You copy down अभिमानः सर्वम नाशयति. सर्वम किम सर्वम कम, sorry, कम सर्वम. Then sixth one,
आयुः इत्यर्थः कः शब्दः
अत्र प्रयुक्तः. What is the word used here in the sense of आयुः? Sorry, आयुः you copy down same. आयुः इत्यर्थकः कः you replace by प्राणान् शब्दः अत्र प्रयुक्तः. आयुः इत्यर्थकः प्राणान् शब्दः अत्र प्रयुक्तः. And you go to seventh.
अपमानं करोति इति स्थाने किं क्रियापदं प्रयुक्तम्.
What is the verb used in the sense of apamanam karoti, insults? So copy down everything. Apamanam karoti iti sthane, take out kim. Avamanyati kriyapadam prayuktam. Avamanyati kim, take out avamanyati kriyapadam prayuktam. In the eighth one, Srinivas.
मनसः दमनम् इति कः कथ्यते.
What is called the control of the mind, restraint of the mind? So you copy down the answer from the question. Manasaha damanam iti shamaha kathyati. Manasaha damanam iti shamaha kathyati. Ninth one.
दयापूर्णा स्निग्धा वाणी
इत्यर्थे
कः शब्दः प्रयुक्तः.
Again you copy down. दयापूर्णा स्निग्धा वाणी इत्यर्थे वागनिष्ठुरा, वागनिष्ठुरा शब्दः प्रयुक्तः. Next and the last one, 10th.
वृद्धावस्था इति कस्य शब्दस्य अर्थः
वृद्धावस्था इति कस्य शब्द, what is the, which words meaning is
जरा
वृद्धावस्था
वृद्धावस्था
इति
जरा शब्दस्य
जरा, जरा शब्दस्य अर्थ. So you copy down jara. Kasya jara shabdasya artha. What about writing? Not necessary. Yeah. So answers, more or less one word answers there. So please copy down everything. I am repeating. One is Yaha na shrunoti tasmin, copy down same thing. Kim, take out kim, vakyam nashyati. So second one answer is kidrushaha, you replace and write out everything. Anagnikaha, anagnikaha. So similarly in the third one only you have to write the entire poem. Srinivas.
Yes.
Sarvarthaha kada siddhyanti, for this yatha yatha hi purushaha. So you please copy down the poem number 52 as it is for this one. Third, fourth one,
आशा कम हरति
dhairyam. So one kam replaced by dhairyam. Fifth, abhimanaha kam nashe, gar, sarvam. Abhimanaha kam will be replaced by sarvam. Sixth,
आयुः
ityartakaha kaha,
शब्दः
pranan. So answer is pranan. Kaha removed by pranan, replaced rather. Then seventh,
अपमानं करोति इति स्थाने किं क्रियापदं
so in the place of kim, the interrogative word, you put avamanyate and everything is same. Eighth one,
मनसः दहनम्
iti
इति
kaha,
कथ्यते
in the place of kaha, you answer shamaha, everything is same. Ninth,
तया पूर्णा स्निग्धा
वाणी
इत्यर्थे कः शब्दः प्रयुक्तः
vaganishtura. So kaha shabdaha, kaha take out and put vaganishtura. And the last one, vruddha avastha iti kasya shabdasya artha, jara, vruddha avastha, that is write out everything, iti jara shabdasya artha. So evam rupena chaturthamshaha api samaptah. Panchamamshe yathochitam vakyamshan yodayata. So this is match the following. Now Srinivas left and right 1, 2, 3 ka, kha, ga, etc. So anatmani already given. Shrutam nashtam. Sorry. Second one,
अनग्निकं हुतं नष्टं
hutam nashtam. That is the ka. Second one goes with ka. Anagnikam hutam nashtam. Fireless sacrifice is waste, lost. Third, yatha yatha hi purushaha kha.
कल्याणे कुरुत
So for this third one, take kha. Kalyane kurute manaha. Fourth, mrutyuhu pranan harati cha. Mrutyuhu cha. Fifth, krodhaha ja. Last one, shriyam harati. Krodhaha shriyam harati. Ja. And sixth one,
मूर्खः नित्यं
gha. Dhanabhijata vruddhan avamanyate. Dhanabhijata vruddhan avamanyate. So what is this? Sixth, gha. We will write out letters and match. Then seventh, gna.
मित्रा
Mitranam cha anabhidrohaha gna. Saptaitaha samidashrita shriyah. Then we have the last one, eighth one. Tatha tata asya
सर्वार्थाः
siddhyanti. So cha. So the answers to be matched as ga, ka, kha, cha, ja, gha, gna, cha. These I will write. I think they are simple if you follow the 0.5 abhyasa. What is abhyasa? 50?
11
0.5. Yeah, you just tell me. First one?
First one is already given.
Okay. What is it given?
Ga.
Ga.
Alpha. Number 2. अनग्निकं कुतमष्टं क नंबर 3 ख कल्याणे कुरुते मनः
फोर्थ
one is मृत्यु प्राणाधि छ महाप्राण
फिफ्थ
क्रोधः श्रियं हरति ज मूर्खः नित्यं धनाभिजातवृद्धान् अवमन्यते ग सेवन्थ मित्राणां च अनभिद्रोहः
whatever ज्ञ yeah
सत्यता समिति
eighth
तथा तथा तस्य सर्वार्था सिद्ध्यन्ति च
last one cha. So these are the answers. Ga ka gha cha ja gha nya cha इत्येतानि तत्र उत्तराणि भवन्ति. अग्रे सरन् षष्ठांशं पश्यामः. यथोचितं रिक्तस्थानं न fill in the blanks here. One is given here. Samudre patitam nashtam. Second one, nashtam. Based on the sloka. Yeah, ashrunvati. So, nashtam vakyam ashrunvati. Third one, anatmani shrutam nashtam. So again, this is a good exercise. We had like this in previously? No, invention. But same sloka is nicely recalled here. 4. Kalyane kurute manaha. Manaha. 5.
जरा
Rupam harati. Very quickly it is coming to mind. Jara rupam harati. 6th. Asha dhairyam harati. 7. Mrityuhu pranan harati. Very quick. Mrityuhu pranan harati. 7, 8. Asuya. Oh, 2 words you have to hear. Asuya dharma, I think. Dharmacharyam. Dharmacharyam harati. Yeah. Asuya dharmacharyam harati. That is over. 9th. Krodaha shriyam harati. 10th. Anarya seva, we know, Seelam harati. Anarya seva, Seelam harati. 11. Kamaha hriyam harati. 12. Sarvam harati. Just now we did it. 13. Murkha vidyashila vayurudhan, he has given. 14. Murkha buddhi vruddhan avamanyati. Buddhi vruddhan. Then Murkaha dhanabhijata vruddhan avamanyati. Dhanabhijata. Okay, that's okay. I think simple only. Simple. Next is 7th one. Sopanam purayata. Now you fill in the ladder. Complete the steps or rather. Shriyaha sapta samidaha. What are the 7 steps for the fortune? They are described here. Dhrutihi, Syamaha, Damaha, Shaucham, Karuna, Vak, Anishtura, and Mitraihi Saha Adroha. Very simple. So, blanks will read Syamaha, Shaucham, Vak, Anishtura. That's all 3. Syamaha, Shaucham. Syamaha 2, Shaucham 4, Vak, Anishtura 6th. Rest are given here. Yathodaharanam. Samasta padam likata. Now you write the compound word as given in the example. Na shrunvati ashrunvati. Given. First one. Na satyam. Very simple. Asatyam. Na satyam asatyam. Na atmani anatmani. So when na in this, if you observe Srinivas, Na atma, when it is followed, na followed by vowel, it becomes an. When it is followed by consonant, it becomes same, remains same. So, na atmani, anatmani. Here, na aryaha, not given there, na. Printing is gone. Third one, that na letter is not printed. Na aryaha, anaryaha. Isn't it?
Yes.
Fourth, na nishthura, anisthura. Na abhidroha, anabhidroha. So this is a samasa, nai tatpurusha. Very easy. Na dharmaha, adharmaha. Na satyam, asatyam. Na dharmikaha, adharmikaha. Like that. So very simple. You can do it. Asrunvati, asatyam, anatmani, anaryaha, anisthura, anabhidroha. These are the answers. Ninth one, Srinivas. Bahuvachanantam padam chinuta. Now pick up from where? Acha, they are given at the end. 3 only are there. Samidaha, samshayaha, manaha. Which is the plural here? Samidaha. Yes. Then no, wait a minute. Samida is correct. Samshayaha manaha. Why? Acha, he is confusing you. Okay. 2. Shatru pratyantam rupam chinuta. You pick up the participle, active participle shatru. Anatmani asrunvati avamanyati. No. Anatmani is na atmani. It is a no. It is a word. Saptami ekavachana. Naitat purusha is there anyway. But avamanyate is a verb. Avamanyate is a verb. Asrunvati is the shatru pratyant. Srunvan, srunvati, asrunvati, not listening. So asrunvati is not a namavachaka here. It is not a noun. Nor it is a verb. Neither it is kriyapada nor namavachaka. It is a shatru pratyanta rupam. Present active participle form in this saptami vibhakti. Third one. Asaptamyantam padam chinuta. Now you pick up a word which is not saptami anta, which is not ending in 7th case here. Kalyane 7th, Samudre 7th, Anatmani 7th. So you are confused here. Siddhyate is Atmane pada. So people who do not have confusion, they think because Kalyane is Saptami, Siddhyate should also be Saptami. No. So Kriya Padam is this. Asaptamyantam padam, a word ending in, not ending in Saptami. Then that is it. Now what is extra given here? Yogyata vistaraha dvandva samasa Srinivas. Vidya Shila Vayo Vruddhan is equal to Vidya Vruddhan, Shila Vruddhan, Vayo Vruddhan cha iti. So that is how we compound several words into one. We make it compact. What is called Samasanam Samasaha. That is the definition. Samasanam. Samasanam means throwing together, literally. Throwing words together and making it into one word. That is called Samasa. Samasanam Samasaha. Next word is Vidya Vruddhaha cha, Sila Vruddhaha cha, Vayo Vruddhaha cha. You can go on putting any number of chakaras. Add. So this cha is like a copulative avyaya which keeps on adding. And then when you remove the chas, all get merged, Srinivas, beautifully. Vidya Shila Vayo Vruddhaha. Now that dash is given in the book, na, that should not be there. It is making you know that there is a samasa here. That dash, Srinivas. Tan. Now you see, there are two ways of understanding the above word here. Vidya, Shila, Vayo, Vruddhan. One way is this shown. Second way is Vidya Vruddhascha, Shila Vruddhascha, Vayo Vruddhascha, etc. given. Na? Then Vidya, Shila, Vayo Vruddhaha, Tan, them, Vidya, Shila, Vayo Vruddhaniti, Dvandva Samasa Prayogaha. This is how Dvandva Samasa comes. Charte Dvandvaha, they say. When cha is used in the, what I said in the last class, when you explain a compound word, it is called Vigraha Vakya. Krishna Bhaktaha is a compound word. So to show the relation between Krishna and the Bhakta, you have to explain that. That explanation is called Vigraha Vakyam. Krishnasya Bhaktaha. First word is there, na, where there are two words. Will lose its case, Vibhakti. Second word will retain its Vibhakti. When we do Vigraha Vakya, give the Vigraha Vakya, we retain, we bring back the first word case, Vibhakti. Krishnasya Bhaktaha is equal to Krishna Bhaktaha. So in all these things, the same thing, Srinivas. Right, we proceed to New Panchakam, Nava Panchakam, 56th poem to poem number 60. Ashtavidhaha Dharma Margaha. We are entering into a section or a heading called Ashtavidhaha Dharma Margaha. 8 types of ways, 8 types of ways of righteousness or dharma. Sloka you can read, sir.
Idyadhyayana danani tapaha satyam kshama ghuruna alobha iti
alobha iti margoyam
dharmasyastavidaha smutaha.
So finally it said dharmasya ashtavidaha smutaha. You can do the padacheda.
Vidya adhyayana danani
tapaha satyam kshama agruna
alobha iti margaha ayam dharmasya ashtavidaha smutaha.
Simple. When you do the padacheda only, you understand quarter, 25%. When you go to Anvayartha, you understand more, 50% more. So Anvayartha,
Dhyana danani tapaha satyam kshama agruna alobha iti ayam dharmasya ashtavidaha margaha smutaha.
So this is the eightfold way of dharma. There are eight things described here in this sloka by Vidura. Ijya. Ijya is sacrifice, Srinivas. Ijya. Adhyayana, study. Dana, dana, charity. Generosity, whatever it is. Tapaha, penance. Satyam, truthful speaking. Kshama, forgiveness. Agruna, na gruna, agruna. Gruna means aversion, disgust. Agruna means no gruna. So you can say kindness, agruna, compassion, pity, gruna, agruna. Literally meaning agruna means nagruna, absence of aversion or hatred. Agruna. Then what is there in alobhaha, not being greedy, absence of greed, ungreedy. These are alobhaha iti ayam dharmasya ashtavidaha margaha. These are the eightfold path of attaining dharma. Going to dharma. Any doubt?
Vijja, you told us.
Sacrifice, yajna, vijja.
Yes.
From, it is a irregular derivation, Srinivas, from yaja dhatu, yaja to sacrifice. Yaja becomes ijya here, irregular way of deriving. Ijya. From yaja you get yajna shabda. So bhavartha you have to read.
Yes. Dharmasya ashtau
Marga.
sprutaha santi.
There are 8 ways spoken of, smrutaha means spoken of dharma. Of righteousness. They are yaga anusthanam. Ijya means yaga anusthanam.
Adhyayanam.
Doing sacrifice, performing sacrifice, adhyayanam, study,
Dhanam.
charity,
Tapasya.
tapasya is control, self-control, penance, whatever you say.
Satya raksha.
And keeping up truth, protection of truth.
Kshamaavalambanam.
Kshamaavalambanam, being patient.
Agruna.
Agruna is daya. Alobhaha,
Iti.
not being greedy. So these are 8-fold path of achieving dharma. Dharma is not easily achieved. So many steps are there here, margas. You have to be doing sacrifice, you have to be doing tapasya, you have to be speaking truth, you have to be very tolerant, you have to be very kind, you have got to be not greedy. Only then you will be following dharma. So I think English translation is okay, Srinivas. We may go to Sambandha slokas now. You can read one, Sambandha sloka.
Dhrutihi kshama damosteyam shauchamindriya nigraha dhirvidya satyamakrodho dashakam dharma lakshanam.
Now here 8 are there. Manu is giving 10, 2 more added. So number is increased now. Sankhya vardhita idhanim. Ashta margat dashakam, dashamargaha. Dashavidham, tatra dashavida margaha. Yeah, padachedam. Dhrutihi kshama damaha asteyam shaucham indriya nigraha. Very simple, damaha asteya. Next, dhihi. Dhihi vidya satyam akrodha dashakam dharma lakshanam. There are 10 characteristics of dharma according to Manu. Some are common here. Dhrutihi, which is covered in kshama. Kshama and dhruti. Dhruti is forbearance and courage. Kshama, dhruti is courage. Kshama is there already. Damaha, already covered. Asteyam means not stealing. Asteyam. Achauryam. Asteyam nama achauryam, not stealing. These come even in Yoga Shastra also. Yama Niyamas explaining Patanjali gives. Dharmacharya asteyam, satyam asteyam, satyam asteyam, etc. Brahmacharya, satya, asteya. They come under the conditions in the Yoga Shastra also. So asteya means, what do you say in English? Not stealing. One word. No theft, asteyam. Shaucham, cleanliness. Indriya nigraha, control of the senses. Dhihi, intellect. Vidya is vidyarjana. Satyam, truthfulness. Akrodha, you can't be. So not getting wild anger, as we say, wild anger. I differentiated between kopa and krodha. Kopa is mild anger, krodha is wild anger. I said it. Nobody said it, I generally say it to my students. Krodha is wild anger. So akrodha, not getting angry. Dashakam dharma lakshanam. Etad dashakam, this group of 10. Dharmasya lakshanam dharma lakshanam. Dharma lakshanam is equal to dharmasya lakshanam samasa. This is the characteristic of dharma. Starting from dhruti, ending with akrodha. Right? You can go to second poem.
Vedaha smrutihi sadacharaha svasya cha priyamatmanaha etat chaturvidham prahuhu sakshad dharmasya lakshanam.
So elsewhere in 6th chapter he said that, and Manu says in the 2nd chapter, dharma lakshanam is somewhat differently. Vedaha, Vedas, smrutihi, the sacred law, smriti granthas, Manusmriti, Yajnavalkya Smriti and other Smritis. Sadacharaha, good behavior, conduct. 3. Swasya cha priyam atmanaha. Atmanaha, swasya atmanaha priyam. One's own dear thing. Doing one's own dear thing, one's own good. Taking care of one's own good. How many are over? Veda, Smriti, 2, Sadachara, and 4 are there now so far. Etat chaturvidam. That is why etat chaturvidam. This is the 4 way. Etat chaturvidam.
What is fourth? Swasya cha priyam.
Swasya atmanaha priyam. One's own priyam. Good. One's own well-being one should look after. See, we have a niti. What is that? Dhanan Atmanam Satatam Rakshed Dhanaihi Darairapi. That poem, there is a poem. Atmanam Satatam Rakshit. One should protect oneself at the cost of Dhanaihi Darairapi, even at the cost of losing your money and also wife. That is the end. So when it comes for self-protection, you should protect yourself at the most dear things like money and a wife also. Dhanair darairapi. Atmanam satatam rakshit. Self-protection is given highest importance. Even in civil law also, even now, when somebody comes to kill you, you have every right to protect yourself even at the cost of killing that person. Somebody enters your house, a thief or robber. If he tries to, say, take your life, you can kill him. Law allows even now, Indian law also, IPL. You kill him when it comes to your safety. Atmanam satatam rakshit. So in that way here, swasya cha priyam atmanaha. One should have looked to his own safety first. That is also dharma. See, nobody has a right to kill anybody. Even physical killing for that matter. Unnecessarily, isn't it? So that is. That whole poem I am not recollecting. Anyway, sometime. Okay. Etat chaturvidam. So Manu says here, etat chaturvidam. This is 4 type. Prahuhu, they say, sakshat dharmasya lakshanam. This is said to be the direct dharma lakshanam. What are they? Vedas, Smriti, Sadachara, and one's own protection, one's own safety. Okay, we pass on to the next Chanakya.
Mukti vichasi cheta
Tata.
Chetata Vishayan.
This is a wonderful poem actually.
Vishayan
Vishavat Tyaja.
Kshamarjavam Daya Shaucham Satyam Piyushavad Bhaja.
Bhaja. There is a reading which says Bhaja is replaced by another reading Piba. Piyushavat Piba. But here Bhaja is in rhyming with Tyaja, above word, both verbs. So what Chanakya says here, we know Chanakya is direct, very strong, he conveys very directly any moral. Isn't it, Srinivas? We have been reading Chanakya. Muktim ichhasi chet, break, chet tata, hey tata, oh my child, oh my brother, whatever you say, oh my child. Muktim ichhasi chet, if you wish to have mukti, muktim ichhasi, hey tata, muktim ichhasi chet. Chet means if, yadi, tata, hey tata, yadi tvam, understood, muktim ichhasi, if you wish to have liberation, salvation, then what should you do? This is called saying in very pithy sentences, very briefly. Vishayan vishavat tyaja. You want mukti? Very simple. Why go to all Vedanta? Vishayan vishavat tyaja. Give up these sensory objects, sensual pleasures as poison. Vishayan vishavat, visha iva, vishamiva. Vishavat nama vishamiva tyaja. Parityaja. Samtyaja. How? Katham samtyaja? Tyaja vishavat. Very simple. Yes, on the other hand, Kshama, Arjavam, Daya, Shaucham, Satyam, Piyushavat, Bhaja, Piba. Otherwise, Piba or Bhaja. Bhaja means have. Serve, have Kshama, patience. Have Arjavam, Rujumar. Be straightforward. Be patient. Daya, have kindness. Shaucham, have cleanliness. Satyam, practice truthful speaking. These things you should save or have like Piyushavat, Amruta. Piyusham nama Amrutam. Amrutam eva, have them like, serve them like, have them like nectar. Piyushavat, Piba. Piba is also good here, I suppose. Patantara is there, Srinivas. Piba is also good. Drink the qualities of Kshama, patience, Arjavam, straightforwardness, kindness, Shaucham, cleanliness, and Satyam, truthfulness. Drink these qualities like Amruta. That is also good. Piba also okay. Bhaja or Piba, both are. Piba means drink these qualities like Amruta and avoid like poison the sensory objects. Vishayan vishavat tyaja amrutavat piba. So very, very beautifully put this. So bhaja means to have. Bhaja does not mean to, that also, that meaning is also. Bhaja to seva. Seva means kuru. Practice. So Chanakya is nice, and then we move on to the 57th, the time clicking, yes. You can read this. Purve Vayasi. And that is caption, Sukham Vaset. One should live happily.
Purve Vayasitat Kuryadiyena Vruddha Sukham Vaset. Yavat Jivena Tat Kuryat Yena Pretya Sukham Vaset.
Very simple and very straightforward sloka this is. Coming up now, Padachedam. Purve Vayasi. No Sandhi Srinivas, first line anywhere. Yena Vruddha Sukham Vaset. Here you bring what Jivena. Yena pra, he not broken. Okay, Pretya. No Sandhi, only one. Yavat Jivena. Yavat Jivena. Yavat Jivam means we think, we immediately reminded of one Yavat Jiva Karagara Siksha. So anyway, Anvayartha
पूर्वे वयसि
tat kuryat
येन वृद्धः
sukham vaset yavat jivena tat kuryat.
येन प्रेत्य सुखं वसेत्.
So what Vidura is telling the blind king here, Purve vayasi tat kuryat. One should do that in his first half of his life, in his young age. Purve vayasi nama vayasi. Yavanavasthayam. Purve vayasi nama yavana avasthayam tat kuryat. That one should do yena, by which vruddha sukham vaset. Becoming old, you should live happily. So do such an act in young age by which you live happily in the old age. That means you sow a good seed now, it will become a tree, reap the fruits in your old age. Same thing, na? Yavat vaset, yavat jivena tat kuryat, and one must do with his whole life. Yavat jivena tat kuryat. Man should do in his whole lifetime, during his lifetime, yena, by which pretya sukham vaset, by which he will live happily in the next world, in the next life, in the other world, right? So there are two things here. Do such a thing in your young age whereby you live happily in the old age. Do throughout your life, yavat jivena tat kuryat, means you must perform such an act throughout your life by which you will be happily living in the next life. Now this is where the karma siddhanta comes. You do good, that will be credited. Like I told you in last class, credit card is compared with punya, debit card is papa. Modern way of putting it. Okay, bhavartha?
जीवनस्य पूर्वार्धे उत्तमं कार्यं करोति चेत् वार्धके सुखी भविष्यति.
So he says, जीवनस्य पूर्वार्धे नाम यवन अवस्थायाम उत्तमं कार्यं करोति चेत्. If one does the best things in his first half of his life, वार्धके in old age, सुखी भविष्यति, he will be a happy man.
यदि आजीवनं
साधु कार्यं करोति
तर्हि परलोकेपि
सुखम प्राप्नुयात्. यदि if it's a conditional one, आजीवनं साधु कार्यं करोति, यावत् जीवेन आजीवनं जीवनकालपर्यन्तं मृत्युकालपर्यन्तं यदि पुरुषः साधु कर्माणि कुर्वन् भवति, then तर्हि परलोके अपि सुखम प्राप्नुयात्. परलोके वा परजन्मनि वा सुखम प्राप्नुयात्. He will get happiness in the other world. So one should do such good deeds in the first half of his life. The translation English I have checked is very good. Then Sambandha slokas. Yeah, we can do one. Vidura Niti. Again, it is Vidura Niti one.
दिवसेनैव तत्
कुर्यात्
येन रात्रौ सुखं वसेत्. अष्टमासेन तत् कुर्यात् येन वर्षाः सुखं वसेत्.
So it is same place, therefore it is immediate sloka preceding to this. 68, 69. Main sloka is 69. Divasena eva tat kuryat yena ratrau sukham vaset. That means you do such thing during the daytime so that you live happily night. It is in a micro level, that is also at a macro level. So you do good things during the daytime so that you will be happy at night. Divasena eva tat kuryat yena ratrau nishayam sukham vasit. Simple. Ashtamasena tat kuryat. One should do such thing by 8 months. Yena Varshaha Sukham Vasit. So 8 months, like Ashtamasa here given as a number, like we have 12 months. So 4 months, let us say Varsha Kala, Varsha Rutu. Prominently in India, we have only a few Rutus. Maybe he knew also that. Where do you see Sharat here? We can't see autumn here. I think in Europe and other countries, they get good autumn. Now we are losing even Varsha Kala also. That is the Punya Phala. Ashtamasena Tatkurya. So you do such a thing by 8 months. Yena, by which Varshaha Sukham, the remaining 4 months, you live happily. That means save something for the rainy day. There is an idiom in English. Save something for the rainy day. Means you work hard and store. Save something so that rainy day means in bad times you sit back and enjoy. So 8 months you work and to enjoy during the Varsha Kala. Varsha Kala, it is very difficult to go out and so just sit back and relax and enjoy. That is what Ashtamasena Tat Kuryat. Yena Varshaha Varshartuhu Varsharutau Sukham Vasit, one, so that you can live happily during the monsoon. Okay, fine. Same idea. Sukham Shivam Bhuyat.